Hello and welcome to Discover Lands. Today we're visiting the Azores, one of the most beautiful places in Europe. We are going to take you on a tour of this enchanting archipelago and share with you all the reasons why it should be at the top of your travel list. Located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, the Azores is a hidden gem that boasts stunning landscapes, pristine nature, and a unique culture that has been shaped by centuries of isolation. Its volcanic origins have given rise to a diverse ecosystem that is home to a wide array of endemic species, making it a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. But the Azores is much more than just a natural wonderland. Its rich history, friendly people, and delicious gastronomy make it a destination that offers a truly authentic and unforgettable experience. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey to the Azores, where you'll discover why it's truly one of the most beautiful places in Europe. Azores, it's not only one of the most beautiful destinations in Europe but are also one of its best-kept secrets. These 9 volcanic islands sit in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, about 1,500 kilometers west of Portugal. But what makes the Azores so special, and why should you visit them? Well, let's find out. First, let's talk about the Azores' history and culture. Portuguese explorers first discovered these islands in the 15th century, and they've been a part of Portugal ever since. The Azorean culture is heavily influenced by Portuguese traditions, but it also has its own unique characteristics. For example, the Azores are known for their traditional music, which features unique instruments like the viola da terra and the cavaquinho. The Azores are also home to many historic sites, including churches, forts, and museums. One of the most interesting places to visit is the Furnace Valley, which is known for its hot springs and geysers. The valley has been used for centuries as a spa destination, and you can still find traditional wooden bathhouses there today. Now, let's talk about the real reason why people come to the Azores: nature. These islands are home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in Europe, from volcanic craters to lush green forests. The Azores is also an excellent destination for wildlife lovers, as they're home to many unique species of birds, whales, and dolphins. One of the most popular activities in the Azores is whale watching. The islands sit on the migratory path of many whale species, so you're almost guaranteed to see them if you go on a tour. The Azores are also home to many species of dolphins, including the common dolphin and the bottlenose dolphin. There are plenty of outdoor activities to do in the Azores too. Hiking is one of the most popular activities, as there are many trails that take you through the island's stunning landscapes. One of the most popular hikes is the Pico Mountain Trail, which takes you to the highest peak in Portugal. If you're looking for something a little more relaxing, you can take a dip in one of the many natural pools that dot the islands. The most famous of these pools is the Ponta da Ferraria, which is a natural hot spring that flows into the ocean. It's the perfect place to relax and take in the beauty of the Azores. But before you plan your trip, there are a few things you should know. The Azores has a mild, oceanic climate with temperatures ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius throughout the year. The best time to visit is during the spring and summer months, from April to September, when the weather is warm and sunny. The islands have many beautiful beaches, but the water can be cold due to the Atlantic currents. If you plan on swimming, make sure to bring a wetsuit or check with the locals about the best swimming spots. Another great reason to visit the Azores is to experience the local festivals and events. The islands have a rich cultural heritage, and there are many traditional festivals and celebrations throughout the year. One of the most famous festivals is the Festas do Senhor Santo Cristo dos Milagres, held in May in the town of Ponta Delgada on the island of São Miguel. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, the Azores offer many opportunities for hiking, biking, and other outdoor activities. There are many well-marked hiking trails throughout the islands, ranging from easy walks to more challenging hikes that offer stunning views of the Azorean landscape. And if you're looking for some relaxation, the Azores has many natural hot springs where you can soak and unwind. The hot springs are the result of volcanic activity on the islands and are said to have therapeutic properties. One of the reasons to visit the Azores is its breathtaking natural scenery. The islands have lush forests, beautiful mountains, and stunning coastlines. The scenery is so beautiful that it's been called the Hawaii of Europe. The Azores is also home to many stunning waterfalls, such as the Ribeira dos Calderos waterfall, which cascades down over a series of volcanic rock formations. The Cidades Lagoon is another must-visit destination in the Azores. The lagoon is a stunning combination of two lakes, one blue and one green, set against the backdrop of the lush Azorean landscape. The Azores is also famous for its whale watching opportunities. The islands are one of the best places in the world to spot whales, dolphins, and other marine life. In fact, more than 25 different species of cetaceans can be seen in the waters around the Azores. The Azores is also home to a unique culture and cuisine. The islands have a long history of agriculture and fishing, and many of the local dishes are made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Make sure to visit the local markets and try some of the Azorean specialties, such as cozido, a meat and vegetable stew cooked in volcanic steam. And let's not forget about the charming towns and villages of the Azores. The islands are full of colorful houses, cobblestone streets, and picturesque churches. The people of the Azores are warm and welcoming, and you'll feel right at home in their midst. Last but not least, let's talk about the food and drink in the Azores. The islands are known for their fresh seafood, which is caught daily by local fishermen. Some of the most popular dishes include grilled octopus, tuna steaks, and seafood stews. The Azores are also known for their cheeses, which are made from the milk of the local cows. When it comes to drinks, the Azores are famous for their wine and their tea. The islands have several vineyards that produce excellent white wines, while their tea plantations produce some of Europe's best black and green teas. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the Azores, one of the most beautiful places in Europe. We hope that you have enjoyed learning about this breathtaking archipelago and all the reasons why it should be on your travel bucket list. From the stunning landscapes of São Miguel and Terceira to the unique experiences offered on Pico Island and the remote charm of Corvo, the Azores have something for everyone. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or simply in need of some relaxation, this magical place will not disappoint. But the Azores is not just a place to visit for their beauty and activities. Its warm and welcoming people, delicious gastronomy, and rich cultural heritage make it an extraordinary destination. You will feel like part of the community as soon as you step foot on one of these islands. So why not start planning your next trip to the Azores? With its pristine landscapes, charming villages, and unforgettable experiences, it's a place that will leave a lasting impression on your heart. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you in the Azores soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.